So hello guys. So comment lang ako doon sa um uh, yung kay Marcos kay President Vladimir Putin, no. So doon sa video na nakita ko, um tinitingnan ni Vladimir Putin si President Vladimir Putin si Marcos. So doon sa pagtingin ni President Vladimir Putin, pinag-aaralan niya si Marcos, no? Pinag-aaralan niya. Kasi ang ginagawa kasi ni Marcos, guys, nagbabasa siya habang kaharap si President Vladimir Putin. So ganito kasi yan. So if we are in a communication with the other person, no, dapat you must establish a good rapport, no. Good rapport yan. So ibig sabihin, para pagtiwalaan ka ng kausap mo, dapat you must talk to him eye to eye, no. There must be, you must establish an trust, no. How can you establish trust, guys? So there will only be trust if you are in a conversation, meaning to say you are conversing eye to eye contact, no. And then now if that is the thing that you are doing, meaning to say alam mo yung sinasabi mo, alam mo yung mga lumalabas sa bibig mo. Kasi if you are reading in front, no, of a certain person, and at the same time you are trying to converse, no, you are trying to communicate, mukhang hindi ka panipaniwala kasi it means that you don't know what you are saying, what you are talking, no. Kasi if you know what is happening in the Philippines, no, hindi mo na kailangan bumasa. Siguro may tatandaan ka na lang, what do you call that? May tatandaan ka na lang keyword so that you can truly expound the issue, the problem, no. Kasi this is an international organization, no. Dapat you must talk to the especially you are talking with the president of Russia. So dapat maganda ang pakikipag-usap mo. Sana si Marcos pinag-aralan niya yung sasabihin niya. So pinag-aralan sana niya sasabihin niya para hindi niya binabasa habang kaharap si Vladimir Putin, no. Sana pinag-aralan niya kasi if you know what you are saying, hindi ka natitingin doon sa mo, sa binabasa mo. Kasi actually ang kakausapin mo kasi diyan mga presidente, no. Specifically the president of the Federal Russia, no? So yun yung that is a big problem. Magiging big problem yun in establishing rapport, no. Paano ka makakapag-establish ng magandang what do you call that, ng magandang simula kung saan yun ay magiging pundasyon ng tinatawag na trust. Kasi kaya ka pumunta diyan sa Russia kasi you are selling you are trying to what do you call that, you are trying to sell the products here in the Philippines, the items. You are trying to invite investors here in the Philippines. But if that will be the case, no, mahihirapan tayong mag-invite ng investor. Kasi so sa nakikita natin habang tinitingnan ni President Vladimir Putin si Marcos, nakikita niya parang there's no sincerity, no. So there must be sincerity para alam mo yun para magtiwala yung kausap natin. So there must be sincerity habang nagsasalita ka at nakikita nung kausap mo na okay, totoo tong kausap mo. Kasi you are establishing yung rapport nga, no. Yun ang importante, guys, no. Kasi in terms of communication, no, the first thing that you are going to do is that you must talk uh, in an eye-to-eye contact. Then, because of that, whatever you say, no, and you're not reading from anywhere or anything, then you can establish rapport, no. Yun ang, then if there is rapport, no, then there will be trust, no. Doon na magsisimula yung trust, no. So but doon sa nakita ko na video, no, I think President Vladimir Putin is not happy, no. Oh, yun lang eh. Thank you.